跟住 Chem Practice Paper Paper 1A 第32條嘅題目啦。咁咧佢就話啲嘅 washing powder 咧就有啲嘅 enzymes 嘅，咁 enzymes 咧就有啲嘅 biological catalyst 啦。咁咧就問你邊個 statement 係正確嘅？咁首先一嗰度啦，佢就話咧個 enzyme 嘅 activity 咧係 increases with temperature。咁呢個就應該唔係，因為 enzymes 咧佢係高溫嘅時候咧係會 denature 嘅，係啦，因為佢係啲 protein 嚟噶嘛，係啦，咁所以就佢 denature 嘅，咁所以一係錯嘅。然後二啦，咁咧佢就話 enzymes 即係可以 facilitate 呢個 removal of 一啲嘅special 嘅 kinds of dirt 啦，咁呢個係正確㗎。咁因為咧就即係嗰啲 dirt 咧會係啲嘅 grease 啊、啲嘅 oil 啊、fat 啊嗰啲啦，咁或者咧就係一啲嘅 protein 嗰啲咁樣啦。咁基本上嗰啲 enzymes 咧就可以將呢啲嘅 substance 咧就 break down into 一啲嘅 soluble 嘅啲 substances 嘅。咁佢 soluble 嘅時候，咁你揾水沖咁咪沖得走咯，係啦。咁所以係可以幫到個 removal of 嗰啲 dirt 嘅，所以二係正確。咁三咧就話咧 enzyme 可以 reduce 呢個嘅 surface tension，咁呢個就唔係啦。咁即係我哋冇講過呢件事嘅。咁如果真係要講咧，咁應該就係同嗰個嘅即係 detergent 咧個關係會大啲。detergent 就真係可以做一個嘅即係 reduce surface tension 嘅一個嘅 substance，因為佢係一個嘅 wetting agent，係啦。咁所以就無論如何啦，咁應該只有 statement 2係正確嘅。咁所以呢個嘅答案咧就係 B for boy 啦。